again, JessTheDragoness, and today we are going to do a review on another little bob unit. I decided to jazz this one up a little bit, so if you want to see what I did, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before we jump right into this wig review, I definitely would like for you guys to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and make sure you're sharing these videos. We are almost to 20,000 subscribers. I am more than excited, so keep sharing. So today's unit is from MY WIGS. This is a 100% virgin hair unit. This is the box that the unit comes in. The box is really nice. It does give you instructions on how to care for your wig and what you need to do to detangle it and wash it. This is the unit right here. Oops. It is a lace frontal unit, so that means the frontal is a 13x4 frontal. It has tracks sewn into the back, and then it has your adjustable straps, 1 comb in the back and 3 combs at the top. So I did go ahead and bleach this unit. I only bleached it 1 time. That's how I came up with this nice honey brown color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I hope this works because I did not braid down my hair, you guys. Like, ain't nobody got time for that today. I did wash my hair and condition it, so it's just like that was really all I could do. I did not have the energy to go ahead and braid my hair also. And if you guys have never seen any of my tutorials where like my natural hair is out, I got a lot of hair. So if this is sticking up, it's not the wig's fault. It's my fault for being lazy. Although it looks like it's doing pretty daggone good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out. I am not feeling these curls, so what I'm gonna do is probably straighten this or maybe curl it a little more in the front. All right you guys, so I'm back. I actually ended up just using my flat iron to put a few curls in this wig, and I actually like it a lot better this way. And then I realized I felt like I needed a choker, so I threw this on too. Yeah, you guys, I think the quality of this hair is really nice. It bleached so easily, and I feel like the color came out really even. Sometimes it's hard to bleach hair and have the color come out really even and still have like a nice luster to it, and the hair is still soft and not shedding. So I definitely think that this wig is definitely a good quality of hair, and the wig is made really well too because the unit is not shedding at all. And yeah, so I would definitely suggest this unit. I really actually do like it. I think this unit is probably big head friendly too, because like I said, I didn't braid my hair down and it's fitting very comfortably underneath this wig. The only thing I will say is that the unit is sort of pre-plucked, but if I were to wear my hair going back and expose the frontal, I would definitely pluck it some more. And I definitely did pluck the part as well, so keep that in mind. But all in all, I do feel like it's a very pretty unit. I feel like I'm starting to get a little sick of bobs now. I've done at least 4 or 5 bobs in the last 2 months, and I know it's definitely the style, so like I just wanted to do something different. So I'm glad I colored it, because if it was just another black wavy bob, it's just kind of like, Anyway, tell me what you guys think. Tell me what styles you guys are excited about and you'd like to see here on my channel. I definitely want to start taking a poll and getting some ideas from you guys and inspiration for the next video. So follow me on all my other social media accounts. Send me pictures. If you see a style that looks interesting that you'd like me to recreate, definitely send it to me. All my other social media is just at JessTheDragoness, and Snapchat is at JessTheDragoness with only one S at the end. You can always feel free to email me, which is JessTheDragoness@gmail.com, and make sure you're checking out my wig blog, www.JessTheDragoness.com. All right, you guys, make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.